environment we don't have supporters, but at least we have our dreams as a supporters. So we have to just keep working on it. There's no need, there's no option to give up. We can say way or particular app to have conversation, and we are connecting through a Zio Meet. So I would love to reveal this secret to each and everyone whosoever wants to have conversation and start their uh, working on their channel, so they can just install Geo Meet app from Google Play Store and then restart your journey. You can have conversation, you can record videos easily. Sometimes God creates problems for us because God wants us to go get up and follow your passion. Because morning, Gyanchandra, how's life treating you?
Life is treating very well. What about you?
Life is treating me not so well, but I'm trying to say like I'm feeling well. I'm quite excited because today itself in the early in the morning I had a session with a co-learner, and he lives in Saudi Arabia and he works as a waiter. And today itself, this is my second session, so I'm so happy because I can say this is the very first day after a very long time. I can say it's quite productive when it comes to learning English language or doing English speaking practice. Because while connecting with you, I'm doing speaking practice, which is really very mandatory for me to get fluency as well as to be a good communicator, I think.
Yeah, yeah. It has been long time. I think this problem are like so many people are YouTuber mostly. They are facing this problem because since Skype event, so we are not able to have conversation here like this. So now recently I got this application, so I'm so glad to that okay getting this application that now I have started again having conversation. So it's good for not only for YouTuber but also beginner. So that's great. So yes, great. So
And
I would like.
Gyanchandra, I think there was behind the reason that
Hmm.
you were so desperate to do conversation, to have conversation with your co-learners. So that's why you managed to find a particular we can say way or particular app to have conversation, and we are connecting through a Zio Meet. So I would love to reveal this secret to each and everyone whosoever wants to have conversation and start their uh, working on their channel, so they can just install Geo Meet app from Google Play Store and then restart your journey. You can have conversation, you can record videos easily without investing even a single penny. There is no need to spend money at all. And I'm
Yeah,
so
that's
happy with that
yeah,
you told me about this app.
great. And that is why I have one question for you that why does it happen that sometimes we have to face problem in our life? Earlier we had lots of friends on Skype and we used to talk each other. There was no problem. But I can see this life is so this life has lots of sorrow for you and also happiness for you. So why does it happen like that? So
Because this
I
is life. This is life. Life is not only about having good moments and life is going well. No, life is all about having problems, having everything in your life. Because suppose you are having only good moments in your life, you are living a life as per you want, and then after some time then you will feel like my life is too monotonous, there's nothing to do, I'm just in my comfort zone. Then
Hmm.
if you really want to achieve something in your life, okay, when it becomes your need to do something, okay, then
Hmm.
it becomes your need and then it becomes your reason. Sometimes God creates problems for us because God wants us to go get up and follow your passion, because we have so many qualities inside our personality but we don't pursue it. Okay, we are really very passionate about so many things, but just because of we don't need it, we don't have any type of situation like do and die type of situation. But when God has put us in that type of situation, then it becomes our need to try to find a particular way to overcome or tackle out that problem. As you mentioned that earlier Skype was not working, It's been 1.5 months. So you were so desperate for getting a app for having conversation, and then you find it. You found it.
Yes.
There was a
Yes.
situation like do and die. So then you found it. And in the same way, if I talk about my YouTube journey, so I started in the same way. When I was in that type of situation, then I did it. When we find our why in our life, then we find our reason as well as our motivation to start something or to do something in a life. So that's why problems, we shouldn't consider problems as problems. Problems are always there in a life as a motivator. They always comes in a life to motivate us, to push ourselves. And as
Mhm.
I have mentioned that recently, it's been 6 months, I have been suffering from tinnitus problem. So yesterday
Yes.
itself,
Yes.
I just um, and now I'm not going to stop myself. I will never ever let tinnitus to stop me, to stop my working on my dream. Now I will definitely ruin tinnitus. I'm challenging tinnitus. If you can,
Correct.
then try to stop me. But I will not let you to ruin my dreams, to ruin my life. I'll be continue my journey. No matter I'm able to listen to others or not, but I'll be continue with this journey. So
Yeah.
problems always comes, but how we deal with these problems, it matters a lot. Do
Yeah.
we
It's really
have
really.
patience? Do we keep having patience while suffering from these problems, or we always become so overwhelmed? This thing matters a lot. How we deal with these situations, this thing matters a lot. I think we should learn it. This is the thing that we need to learn.
But what about those people who just give up when they face problem? They think that, oh my God, now my life is totally monotonous. What should I do? Should I go further or not? Because they start fighting with their life when they get problem. So how can we tackle with our problem, and how can we handle ourselves in that situation?
I couldn't get your question.
I'm saying that when people get problems, so how can they handle all the problem, and also how can they make them understand that no, it's my problem for some time. It's okay. It's not a big problem. We should continue our journey. We should not give up. So, but most of the people they give up, seeing their problem. So, what would you like to say here?
I think in their case, one thing which matters, and they
Hmm.
don't have this quality in their self. That is purpose of their life and particular reason. They give up very early. But some people they don't give up because they know that giving up is not only the last solution. Because as we already know, we just keep working on it. You should work on your goal. You should just keep going on your goal. It doesn't matter whether you are running, you are walking, or you are just scrolling. We
Yeah,
have
yeah.
to work towards the goal. And sometimes when any obstacle comes in our life, then for some time we just feel like now what to do? What should I do
Hmm.
next? This obstacle has come, so should I forget about my dreams? But if you are really passionate about your dream, then you would definitely find your motivation, your reason, your why, and your particular way to overcome that problem, to tackle out that problem. And
Hmm.
this is the reason because of which, as you are also a YouTuber, I'm also a YouTuber. And getting monetized your channel, it's not everyone's cup of tea. It's really hard now
Yes.
to crack. Okay. And some people they don't have that much patience when they don't get so much views and they don't get so many likes. So then they think like that, oh, I think it's not my cup of tea. I should find a different way to work on. And then we give up. When we are very
Yeah.
close to our goals, okay, when we are very close to achievements, then we give up. And in this way, we
Yeah.
always become, we can't become the successful person. we
Yeah.
always we always become the loser. So if you don't want to become the loser, then we need to keep working on it. We definitely need to find out a particular way to overcome. एक मिनट. Yes.
Hmm. Yeah, because it's very, very difficult to say that, because most of the people they think about benefit of their hard work. They don't think about their journey. They just think that okay, what I'm getting. They just think this. They don't think that what I'm doing for this. So it was hard not to crack. You are telling great that getting a channel monetized is not a cup of tea for everyone. I can accept this because I also wanted to give up. You know, one time I thought I should break my mobile. Why am I here? Why what I'm doing here? Instead of finding a job and earning money, because now I have grown up. I'm supposed to earn money, and now I'm doing such kind of this stupid activities. I'm not getting anything. But I didn't get. I never thought about the benefit from here. That I'm not getting anything. It has been 1 year, half an year, half 1.5 year. I'm not getting anything, so I should give up. I didn't think like this. I didn't never ever think about benefit. But I kept on working on it. And today I have everything. If if I had given up, so I would not be here. Now I have a student to teach. I'm earning enough money, and I have profession, and I'm being respected also. So what I
Because
got
through
everything.
YouTube, you haven't earned only money, you haven't get monetized only your channel, but also you have earned some students. And just
Yes,
by teaching them, just by giving them classes, you are earning money. So your purpose is fulfilling. It doesn't matter you are earning money from YouTube or from your online classes, but at least you are earning. This thing matters here. So how
yeah,
it has happened just by working on your channel with
correct, correct.
consistency. It doesn't matter whether you get views or not. But even if you get only 200 views, but still you are so consistent because you are so passionate about your dream. You are so passionate
Yeah.
about becoming financially independent.
Hmm. Yeah, and of course, I have seen people crying. Even I also cried a lot. So it's our journey. We have to do hard work. People who are watching us,
Yes.
uh, they must be thinking, oh, they are YouTuber, they are success, and they are earning money. So they must have become fluent. They must have become fluent in speaker easily. They must have become YouTuber easily. But they don't know the sorrow behind it. You know. So at the beginning, we don't think about our benefit. We have to do hard work. We
Hard
even
work is only needed. To be
yeah,
honest,
even
hard work is only needed in a life to get anything. And in some cases, I have seen when we totally rely on others. Okay,
hmm,
like I'm a woman, I'm a homemaker, I'm a wife. And if I start depending on my husband for everything, like for motivation, for appreciation, then I think I'll never be able to work even for a single day because no one is there to help me, no one is there to push me. Okay, you have to just keep doing it. You're doing good.
yeah,
If you are suffering from this
yeah,
problem, then don't work it. It's my passion, it's my dream. So it becomes my responsibility to push me. It's become my responsibility to motivate me to do it
correct.
again. It's okay. I couldn't work or I couldn't have session for a very longer time, but at least I'm restarting it. It's okay to
Again,
take some time. It's okay to feel down in the dumps. It's okay to be in the corner for some time. But after some time, then there's need get uh, to get up and restart your journey because this is
yes,
the one and only solution. Otherwise, you will always in future down in like maybe somewhere in the down the in the line. What how to say? उसको
yeah,
क्या
maybe
बोलते हैं phrase है down in the line
down the line in
नहीं
future.
वो
Like
अलग ही है वो कुछ अलग सा ही है
down the line
चलो
means future.
इसको एडिट कर देंगे ओके नो प्रॉब्लम इसको एडिट कर
Down
देना
the line. Are you talking about future? Down the line.
maybe in future then we will be regretting
Yeah,
But I shouldn't have I shouldn't have stopped it. I should have worked on it
yeah.
after
Down the
looking at others. Because when we look at some learners' journey, 2 years ago they were not good at all in speaking English, but right now they are really very good at. Just look at Karishma Chauhan, Try to Thrive, Dasni Verma. There are so many YouTubers, there are so many creators. They were not good at all, but just by working on it with consistency, now they are really very fluent English speakers, and now they are teaching to others. So they have. It's okay.
yeah,
We don't have that type of environment. It's
yeah,
okay.
yeah, yeah.
We don't have that type of environment. We don't have supporters, but at least we have our dreams as a supporters. So we have to just keep working on it. There's no need. There's no option to give up.